running a lot better right now. Pretty much I had to adjust the clutch from yesterday. There was too much free play going on in the clutch. Had to add oil to it after letting it warm up a little bit. And I just been riding around in this parking lot area here, doing 10 miles per hour. This is a big loop inside here, and then when I feel more comfortable at low speeds, the tires are kind of shot. But anyway, running a lot better. Actually the brakes locked up, the front brake locked up yesterday when I was riding in here. So later on today I'm going to actually go through and bleed the brakes and just change out the fluid and adjust the pads. But a lot of this, you just got to just ride and just put some miles on the beast before you start trying to fix every little thing. Sometimes things may fix themselves. I got some oil on the exhaust pipes, so if you see that, that's what it is oil bleeding off the exhaust pipes. It might be running a little rich, but I got my pilot screw tool in today so I can adjust the carbs. Anyway, after not having it run for literally 12 years from the previous owner, he just let it sit outside in the elements, in the weather, with some crappy tarp on it. At least it feels pretty good to get this thing going. So anyway, you guys have a safe motorcycle riding day. Catch you guys later.